Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek coming to you from the Autogeek Show Car Garage in Palm City, Florida. Today we're talking about the Pinnacle Black Label Diamond Coating Detailer. This detailer is meant to be a quick detail spray that's formulated to work with your current coating. And it actually has the same formulation and ingredients as the Pinnacle Black Label Diamond Coating itself. It's designed as a quick detail spray to safely remove any light dust, any light contamination off your surfaces. It also has gloss enhancers and glossing properties to give us the extreme glossy look that we all like from fresh coatings. It is simple to use. All you need to do is spray it directly into a cool surface and simply wipe with a microfiber towel. Once that microfiber towel gets a little dirty, you might want to flip to a different side and use a couple around your vehicle. If you want more information on this product and others, you can check out autogeek.com.